Very good afternoon, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today's video, I'm going to use the Fibonacci retracement in order to find the best support and resistance levels, and I'm going to show you again how you can do some scalping using the Fibonacci retracements. Now, the really thing I need to mention here, that we can never ever rely on Fibonacci retracement alone. We always have to be logic by picking our entries, always be always check the support and resistance levels, always make sure that you are entering only the first or the second attempt of any support and resistance. Fibonacci retracement is only going to give me the best level to place my entry and also the best level to place my take profit or stop loss as well. And I have explained that earlier. I'm going to show you later maybe which videos I did that. However, right now I'm going to find some good setups, and I think we can find something really good here for the USD CHF on the 4-hour chart. Let me go to the 30-minute time frame, and I will draw a Fibonacci retracement from this low here to this high here. And what we can see is we are not really on the recommended Fibonacci retracement, which is the 50 or 61.8. Let's better wait for the candles to reach this level of Fibonacci retracement 50, and if it does, we can find that we are actually on a second attempt of the support, because right here we have the support number 1, and right here we can wait for the creation of a support number 2 where I can place my buy order, and if I do that I will exit my trade, as you know, at the next retracement, which is 38.2. That can give me about 7 pips of profit. Hopefully we will get them, but the thing is I need to wait the candle to reach this level first. Let me try to find something else meanwhile. Pound and ZD, nothing good here. I'm just checking the pairs one by one in front of you. Oh, by the way, if for those who are asking me how do you wait a minute. Those who are asking me how do you switch between the pairs too fast, I'm simply just dragging and drop the pair, and I'm going to place buy order immediately for the USD JPY. Now the question is, why did I place the buy order here? Well, for starter, we are on the 30-minute time frame. Next, look at the left. We see that here we have a very strong support level. This support level, it kept its position as a support later. As you all know already from this channel, these support and resistance levels, they are permanent. They are not temporary levels. When you see a support here, be sure that this level was in the past a strong support as well. Now, moving on, going to the present, we can see here the bearish breakout candle, and this support level, the very same support level, it became now a resistance level. Now, what happened next? What happened next is I draw my Fibonacci retracement from this lower low here to this lower high here. And as I said before, the Fibonacci is correct no matter how you draw it from, as long as you are drawing it from a low to another high, it is always accurate. Now, the thing I saw here, that we are on Fibonacci retracement number 50, and we have here a support number 1, and right now I am on the creation of support number 2. Now let me tell you something. Now you might see yourself losing the trade and you might get in panic. So if you see the candle goes against you, you just need to continue analyzing, as I'm saying always in every single live trading video. Just continue your analysis. Okay, let's assume that I have lost this trade, because we can see that here we had a reversal happened already on the level 50. So maybe I am making a very late entry here, right? And now this next candle is breaking from this level. So should I get panic? Should I close the trade with a loss? Absolutely not. What you should do is actually wait and analyze more. Now, if I want to analyze it more, I can see that here 61.8 is the next retracement. And again, we always have to be logic when we are picking our entries. So is it enough that it's only 61.8? Is it enough to place the buy order here if the candle will reach this level? Absolutely not also. It's not enough. We have to be logic picking our entries. So first of all, we have 61.8. Second of all, we can see that here we have a bullish breakout candle. We can see that here we had a support level. So this support level has been followed also by this support, and after that we can see, if we want to be more accurate, this candle here, this small wick here, you can see it's tiny wick, but it is actually representing another resistance level. So this resistance here has been broken out by this bullish breakout candle, and therefore if the candle will reach the Fibonacci 61.8, that is gonna be a support number 1. It's going to be the first attempt of this support, and therefore I can place my buy order with confidence. Alright, and if I do that, we can expect about 4 pips only. Not really worth it. Anyway, it is a good session just to see how we can do scalping using the Fibonacci retracement. Again, don't rush, don't make any decision until this candle actually closes as a bearish breakout candle. So far the candle is still going on. We still have 7 minutes on its lifespan time. Let's now try to find something else. Actually, I prefer to use the pound and ZD when I'm doing this method of scalping, because the smallest reversal can give you a lot of pips. Let's see. Check it out on the pound USD. Now, pound USD, I will draw my Fibonacci level from this high here to this low here. Perfect. We are on Fibonacci 50, right? And we can see that we are on a resistance level as well. So my entry is actually logic. However, looking at this, what does it tell you? Look at that. We already had the reversal right here. Look at the candle. It reached this level, so resistance number 1, and we can see that the candle, after reaching this level, it went all the way down. Then the next candle went all the way down to the bottom of this tail here, meaning the pair has already reversed for almost 11 pips. It is still good to enter here, but it's not the first bounce we are seeking. If you remember from my previous videos, what I'm seeking, or what I'm willing to enter, is actually the bouncing from the candles, and seeing this candle here, not this one here, this one right here, and then the next candle reached this level of the support, meaning the reversal or the bounce has already occurred. Still, it is still gonna be good entry, because on the past we can see that we had here the resistance. I'm just waiting for the candle to go for almost 1 pip only. It's okay. Go to the 15-minute time frame just to see it more in live, and yes, absolutely yes, fantastic. I'm happy with this entry. That is the best entry I can have actually. Let's wait more and see what will gonna happen. Let me set my take profit to be at the next retracement, which is 38.2. That should give me about 10 pips of profit. And again, let's see what's happening. If you see yourself losing the trade, look at that. The candle seems to be breaking out from this level. Now the same scenario, we have to repeat it. Should I get worried? Should I get in panic? Absolutely no. Just wait for this candle to close before deciding your decision if you will lose this trade or not. And if it does, just continue analyzing. Don't stop. You don't have to rush to close the trade. So if this candle goes against me, still also same scenario, it's going to reach 61.8, which was also here, right here, a resistance number 1. We see the reversal happened. So if the candle will reach this level of 61.8, that's going to be a resistance number 2, and I can sell the pair with confidence. Alright, that's enough of fun. Let's go back now to the pound NZD. That is not really a good market to enter, because we see a lot of ranging. Yeah, a lot of consolidation here, and the market is just ranging. Too much ranging here. We don't want to enter that. I'm just trying to find something decent, and therefore that is the first USD-CHF setup we talked about. We can see the candle has reached this level, just 2 pips away and then reversed. It's okay, I don't think we lost it yet. Let's go 30-minute time frame, and I think, oh yeah, okay. I am on, look at that, I am on a resistance number 2 right now, because here we can see the resistance number 1, and here the candle is attempting resistance number 2. However, don't place your trade right now. The reason is, it is not on any Fibonacci level. It is above 61.8. And as you all know, when the candles or the trend break out from 61.8, it meaning a change in the trend direction. Therefore, placing sell here is not really smart, and I'm not going to do it. Let me try to find something else. I need to find a setup where I can find the market is on a second or first attempt of a support and resistance, and space to draw my Fibonacci retracement to know that it is a valid entry or not. However, so far still nothing. I really cannot find anything. Pound NZD is going good. Right, very nice. So both of the trades now are going in positive. Let me now pause this video, and I'll be back to you once these two trades are finished. Alright, so we can see the pound USD is approaching the target level, or the take profit, sorry. So far we are in almost 9 pips of profit. I think I'm gonna take it because the pair is just 1 pip away from the take profit level, and that is actually my policy. I know I said take profit level, but however, I'm not a greedy person, as I mentioned many times. I just see the pair approaching my take profit level. If it's like 1 or 2 pips away, I will just take it, get out with this trade with profit. The USD JPY is still going 1 pip in profit, and our take profit level should be on the next retracement, which is 4 pips away, should give me about $13 of profit. That's good. So we need to find something else right now. I'm trying to find something actually. Let me draw Fibonacci retracement on the pound NZD right on this level, and we can see that we are beyond the level 61.8. The candle is just sinking more, it's going more down, and therefore that is actually bad level to start buying or even scalping the pound at all. I mean the pound NZD. However, we can see the candle is still going more down. I'm still glad that I exited my trade with a profit and I was safe. That is what is the right method here? What is the right term to say? That is the ideology or the mentality that I'm trying to spread from my channel, is never be greedy, and remember that you can make money from Forex. However, you always have to be patient and accept the small profits rather than accepting the big losses. Alright, so we need to find something else here, and so far I don't find anything good. We are going to we need to wait some time. Allow me now to pause this video until I find another setup. Alright, we are having here something very interesting, and I'm going to place the sell order immediately. Sorry, okay, 1 second. Let me just I'll be back to you guys. Alright, sorry about that. However, I have to explain to you the reason why did I place this trade right here. Now, as you can see, I have drawn my Fibonacci retracement from this high here to this low here. Sorry, as simple as that. Now, the next thing you can see here is we are having here a resistance level. This resistance, it kept its position as a resistance number 1, and again I am entering now the reversal on resistance number 2. Now, I cannot really expect a lot of pips from this profit, from this trade, because I'm going to exit my trade at the next retracement, which is less than 2 pips away. However, it is still good idea to scalp here, get out with about $6. Okay, that is really so tiny. I just want to explain that this method I'm using can be applied on any time frame, even daily candles you can apply that. But because it's really difficult for me to do live trading video when we're using this style on daily candles or on the 4-hour chart, I'm using the 15-minute time frame so you can just understand the strategy, what you should look for, what you should do, how you should pick your entries, and apply it on the bigger time frames. You don't have to do the same like me here on 15-minute time frame. That is really too small time frame. Again, you can do this on the bigger time frame, any time frame you want, apply the same, and that's why I think should be fine here to exit this trade with just less than 2 pips of profit. However, we just have to wait and see what will gonna happen. The first trade for the USD JPY is still going fine in profit. We just need to wait more time here. Look at the pound NZD. It's falling down. It's actually in really good level to start buying because it's on the bottom of support number 2. Okay, now I'm on the, let's move to the daily candles. That is crazy, I know. Let's draw Fibonacci on the daily candles, and we can see that we are actually below 61.8. If I draw the Fibonacci on from this low here to this high here, even to this low here to this high here, yeah, we cannot do anything about it. The pound seems to be falling down from this point. It's not gonna be smart to place buy order for the pound NZD right now. Okay, let's skip the pound NZD and go back to the 15-minute time frame. USD JPY is still going well. AUD CHF going well as well. We might need to pause this video now until these 2 trades finished, and by that we can end this video. I just hope you guys have gotten the idea about how to do these live trades using the Fibonacci retracement. So allow me now to pause this recording, and I'll be back to you once all these trades are finished. And AUD CHF is about to hit the take profit level. I'm going to close it because it's just so tiny. I just wanted you to get the idea about how to do this kind of trades. Now we just have to wait for the USD JPY to finish, and by that we can close this video, and I'll be back to you, my friends, once this trade is over. Alright, my friends, so I think we're about to close this trade right now, and the reason is we're approaching the resistance number 2 of this reversal right here. And yeah, I just wanted to explain that even though the strategy rules is to go all the way for the next retracement, also you have to be logic. Now what I see here is a support level has been broken out by this bearish breakout candle. Then this support has become the new resistance. Now there might be a reversal right here, because this candle here reaching this level, and this could be a resistance number 2. So to be safe, I just exit this trade with about 3.4 pips of profit. So it was a short session and it was a small profit. However, I just had to explain to you the concept of using Fibonacci retracement in order to find your best scalping entries. Look at the candle. You see it? It's going down. That's why I exit my trade with a profit, even though I'm going against my rules. Always be logic, no matter how good your strategy is, no matter how you have indicators, you have trend lines, whatever you have, always rely on support and resistance, and be sure to exit and to enter at the right time. However, sorry, my voice is I'm not feeling well today. Sorry about that. Anyway, in the end, I really hope that was informative to you, my friends, and I would like to thank you for watching.